Welcome to Solution Prayer and Deliverance Ministry, aka the Solution Praise. Join us on our weekly activities every Sundays, Miracle Service, time 10 a.m. On Tuesdays, Faith Clinic, 10 a.m. Every Thursdays, Bible Studies and Deliverance Service, time 5 p.m. And every last Friday of the month, all night, is a vigil service, time 9 p.m. till dawn, with your host, Evangelist Humprey, Emmanuel.
Whatever is making you to home, what do you do?
Until you receive your deliverance, you will not possess what God is done for you. That's why Bible said when deliverance comes, restoration comes. As you fellowship with us, may the Almighty God deliver you for all your problems in the name of Jesus Christ.
Follow us on all our social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at SBDN. Church physical location, Comunia de Giuliano in Campania, 202-D via Lago Patria, Italy. For prayers, information and inquiry, +393 2947 4666. Join us in any of our services and you will be richly blessed. Jesus is Lord.